Say goodbye to outdated technology and hello to the future with Samsung S23, the smartphone that is revolutionizing the game with its OMG-worthy features. Have you ever imagined a smartphone that can do things beyond your wildest dreams? Well, that dream has become a reality with the Samsung S23. This revolutionary device is packed with advanced technology and cutting-edge design that will leave you in awe and wanting more. But don't just take our word for it. Keep watching to learn more about the Samsung S23 and find out why it's changing the game and setting a new standard for smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus are the latest additions to the highly acclaimed S series, and they are already making waves in the smartphone world. These devices have been designed to push the boundaries of what's possible with modern technology, and they deliver on all fronts. Whether you're a power user, a content creator, or just someone who wants a reliable and high-performance smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus are two of the best Android phones of the year. Let's take a look at the top 7 features of these phones to find out why they are revolutionary. 1. Floating camera design. The floating camera design on the Samsung S23 and S23 Plus is a game-changer in the world of smartphones. Gone are the days of unsightly camera bumps that detract from the sleek look of your device. Instead, the S23 and S23 Plus boast a refined version of the design that was first introduced on the S22 Ultra, taking smartphone design to the next level. With the cameras standing on their own, the S23 and S23 Plus not only look more aesthetically pleasing, but they also provide a more stable base for capturing your memories. Available in a range of eye-catching colors, including phantom black, cream, green, and lavender, there's a S23 or S23 Plus to suit every style. And if you're looking for something even more exclusive, head over to Samsung's website to choose from 4 additional colors: lime, graphite, sky blue, and red. Whether you're looking for something sleek and sophisticated or bold and bright, the S23 and S23 Plus have got you covered. 2. Bright display with variable refresh rate. The display on the Samsung S23 and S23 Plus is nothing short of stunning. With a peak brightness of 1,750 nits, you'll never have to struggle to see your screen again, even in bright outdoor conditions. The display is also a joy to use, thanks to its variable refresh rate support. Whether you're scrolling through your feed or playing a game, the S23 and S23 Plus provide a smooth and seamless experience. With a standard refresh rate of 120 Hz, the display is silky smooth and provides a level of responsiveness that is unmatched by other smartphones. However, high refresh rates can also lead to faster battery drain, which is why the S23 and S23 Plus feature adaptive refresh rate support that ranges between 48 and 120 Hz. This means that the display will automatically adjust its refresh rate to suit your task, saving battery life when you're performing low-demand activities like reading an ebook or messaging your friends, and increasing it when you're gaming or doing other visually demanding tasks. 3. Versatile triple camera system. The camera system on the Samsung S23 and S23 Plus is versatile, powerful, and packed with features. With its triple camera system, the S23 and S23 Plus provide a versatile range of options for capturing stunning photos and videos. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel f1.8 wide lens with dual-pixel PDAF and OIS. This camera is perfect for capturing sharp and clear images, even in low-light conditions. The secondary camera is a 10-megapixel f2.4 telephoto lens with PDAF and OIS, providing you with the ability to take beautiful portraits with bokeh-style background blur. And last but not least, the 12-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view is perfect for capturing wide landscapes and group shots. Samsung has also included AI technology to help enhance the camera's performance, especially in low-light conditions. With the AI ISP algorithm, the camera system is able to produce images with excellent detail and clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. And for video enthusiasts, the rear camera system can shoot up to 8K at 30 frames per second, allowing you to capture stunning videos that are rich in detail and clarity. The front-facing camera is also impressive, with a 12-megapixel f2.2 lens that can shoot up to 4K at 30 to 60 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing stunning selfies and video calls. 4. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip for Galaxy. The S23 and S23 Plus are equipped with the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip for Galaxy, and Samsung has made sure to make the most of this partnership. With this new chip, Samsung has taken performance to the next level. The higher CPU and GPU clock speeds set the bar high and make sure that the S23 and S23 Plus run faster and smoother than the competition. The new chip provides better overall performance and puts the S23 series ahead of other top-tier Android phones running the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. With the overclocked chip, Samsung has ensured that the S23 and S23 Plus deliver a truly remarkable experience for users who are looking for the best of the best in terms of performance and efficiency. 5. Fast charging support. The fast charging support on the Samsung S23 and S23 Plus is a game changer for anyone who's always on the go and needs their phone charged up and ready to go at a moment's notice. With 25-watt and 45-watt charging speeds, respectively, the S23 and S23 Plus can get you from 0 to half or even 2/3 full in just 30 minutes. This means you can spend less time tethered to a wall outlet and more time using your phone to stay connected, capture memories, and get things done. Moreover, both phones also support wireless charging, making it even easier to keep your phone charged up without needing any cords or wires. And if you have another wireless charging enabled device, you can even use your S23 or S23 Plus as a power source with its reverse wireless charging capabilities. With fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, the Samsung S23 and S23 Plus make it easier than ever to stay powered up and ready to go, no matter where your day takes you. 6. Robust build quality. The S23 and S23 Plus are engineered to last, with a premium build that exudes strength and durability. The aluminum frame provides a solid foundation for the device, while the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protects both the front and back from cracks and scratches. Whether you accidentally drop your phone on a hard surface or expose it to water, you can be assured that it will stand up to the elements. Thanks to the IP68 certification, you can confidently take your phone with you in any environment, whether you're swimming or working in dusty conditions. The phone can even stay submerged in water up to 4.9 feet deep for up to 30 minutes, giving you peace of mind and protection against the unexpected. The S23 and S23 Plus are not just aesthetically pleasing, they're also built to withstand everyday wear and tear. 7. Faster memory and storage technology. When it comes to speed and efficiency, the Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus don't disappoint. With 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 128, 256, or 512 GB for the S23 and 256 or 512 GB for the S23 Plus, you'll have ample space to store all your photos, videos, and apps. The use of the latest UFS 4.0 storage technology also ensures lightning-fast read and write speeds, making accessing and saving data on your phone a breeze. In other words, the S23 and S23 Plus won't keep you waiting for your content to load, whether it's your favorite game or video, the latest movie you've downloaded, or the photos you just took. The fast memory and storage technology, coupled with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip for Galaxy, ensures that your device performs at its full potential without any slowdowns or lag. So, you can enjoy a seamless and efficient experience without worrying about running out of storage or waiting for your phone to catch up. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the outstanding capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tech content. If you're a fan of the S23 series, we have other amazing videos on Samsung's latest flagship that you won't want to miss. Stay ahead of the game with our latest updates. Until next time, stay safe and have a great day.